Welcome to today's news. Telangana HC Recruitment 2025. Registration begins for 1,673 vacancies. See full video for important details. Application window will open on January 8, 2025. The Telangana High Court invites application for 1,673 posts on January 8, 2025. Eligible candidates can submit their applications on the official website at tshc.gov.in. The recruitment will be carried out for vacancies in the Telangana Judicial, Ministerial and Subordinate Service and High Court for the state of Telangana. Out of the total 1,673 vacancies, 1,277 are allocated for non-technical posts, 184 for technical posts and 212 for various other positions of High Court. The vacancies include junior assistant, field assistant, examiner, record assistant, process server, stenographer grade 3, typist, copyist, court master, computer operator and office subordinate and others. According to the official notification, the deadline to submit the application is on January 31, 2025 and the examination will be conducted in April 2025. Eligibility, vacancy, age limit, selection process and more related details. Candidates are advised to visit the official website of Telangana High Court.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.